Welcome. If you want to stay updated on the latest conversations and opportunities in your LinkedIn groups, enabling email notifications for group updates is essential. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on these notifications using LinkedIn's latest interface on your PC. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the LinkedIn website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner and click on the Me icon. This is your profile picture, and it opens a menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings page. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a list of categories. Click on Notifications. This section controls all the ways LinkedIn keeps you informed, both on the platform and through your email. Now, scroll down or look for the Groups section within Notifications. Click on Groups to expand the available options. Here you'll see a list of notification types related to your LinkedIn groups, including group invitations, group updates, recommendations, and admin updates. To enable email notifications specifically for group updates, find the Group Updates option. You'll see toggles for different notification types, including email. Switch the email toggle to the on position. This ensures you'll receive an email whenever there's an update in your groups, so you never miss important discussions or announcements. If you want to fine-tune your notifications even further, you can adjust the frequency and type of updates you receive for each group individually. Simply visit the Groups page, click the notifications icon next to the group name, and choose how often you'd like to be notified, whether it's for all new posts, just highlights, or none at all. That's it. With these steps, you'll always be in the loop with your LinkedIn groups, right from your inbox. Stay connected, stay informed, and make the most out of your LinkedIn experience.